Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on this eyeshadow palette with you. Actually, I'm doing a series on my channel where I share different affordable eyeshadows from different brands with you. So this is another episode of that series, and today's video I'm talking about this eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand IMAGIC. It's their 16 color eyeshadow palette. So I'll be trying out this palette in today's video, and I'll be creating this look what you see here. So if you're interested to know how this eyeshadow palette performs and how to create this look, please keep on watching this video. So I'll be talking about this eyeshadow palette in today's video. This is from the brand IMAGIC Professional Cosmetics. This is their 16 color eyeshadow palette. So it comes in this kind of outer packaging. So this is actually outer packaging. This comes in this cardboard outer packaging, and when you slide it, here is the actual palette. So on the outer packaging they have mentioned the ingredients, and they have also mentioned the expiry date of this eyeshadow palette. So there is no manufacturing date mentioned here, but they have mentioned the expiry date of this palette. So that's all on the outer packaging. Actually the price is also not mentioned in the outer packaging. And this is how the inner packaging looks like. Exactly the same packaging. This is a cardboard packaging, and on the back of it you can see the ingredient list here, but there is no expiry details mentioned here. Like on the outer packaging they have mentioned the expiry date, but inner packaging the koi bhi expiry details mentioned nahi hai. And price is also not mentioned here. By the way, this palette retails for 699 rupees. I actually got this palette from Cuffs and Lashes, and it costed me 699 rupees. So this is how this palette looks like. You get this 16 shades in this palette, and it comes with this big mirror, a full size mirror. So you get this full size mirror here. So as you can see, there are 16 shades available in this palette, and you get a combination of matte shades and metallic shades. So that's all about the packaging and pricing and all. Now let's see how I created this look using this palette, and then I will share my review. First I'll prep my eyes, and for that I'm using this eyeshadow base from NYX Cosmetics. Now let's start with the palette. Actually I'm not sure कि मैं कौन सा look create करने वाली हूँ इस palette से, but so first I'm using this shade. It's a very neutral shade, so I'll just apply this shade all over my lids. So I'm taking this shade, so there was a little bit of kickback, बहुत ही थोड़ा सा, मतलब नाक के बराबर ही था actually. So it's totally fine. So next I'm taking this shade, and I'll use that shade as my transition shade. काफ़ी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन है शेड की. There is not much kickback, और बहुत ही इजी से ब्लेंड भी हो रहा है. And this is a very nice transition shade actually. Next I'm taking this shade, and I will apply that shade in my crease. So as you can see, there is a little bit of kickback, so always remember to dust off the excess. So this color was good. It was very easy to apply and build up this shade, और इसका pigmentation भी काफ़ी अच्छा था, and it was very easy to blend this. Now next I'm using this shade. I'm using the same brush, and I'll apply this shade only on my outer V's. It's such a beautiful color and it has given a very nice depth to the eyeshadow, and this is looking really beautiful, and it was very easy to blend this shade. So I'll cut my crease a little bit. You actually don't need to do that if you are creating such a look. I just want to create a clean look, that's why I'm doing it, but that's not a necessary step here. Next I'm using this olive green shade, and I'll apply this all over my lids. I'll apply first using my fingers only. So this is how it looks. Wow, काफ़ी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन है इस शेड की, एंड जो शेड है काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है, काफ़ी बटरी है. Wow, it's looking really nice. So I'll use a brush and I'll just fix the edges here. Just first blend these two using my fingers. Basically, I don't want any harsh line between these two shadows what I've applied on my lids. I want this to be blended, so that's why I'm first blending using my fingers, and then if needed I'll go over with a brush. So I'm not taking any color, and I'm using the same brush which I used to apply these colors on my crease and outer V, and I'll just blend it. So these eyeshadows are very easy to blend, just that when I'm blending these eyeshadows, they are losing their color. So I'm again taking the shadows and building up the color, but they are very easy to build up as well. Next I'm taking this shade, so I'll apply this shade in the middle. Next I'm taking these two shades for my lower lash line. Next I'm taking this shade to highlight my brow bones and inner corners. Wow, such a beautiful highlighting shade actually. This shade is not looking good in inner corners, so I'll take this shade. Yeah guys, this is the final eye look, so I'll complete rest of my makeup off camera and come back. So in this palette you get a combination of matte shades and metallic shades. So there are 7 shades which are matte in this palette and rest 9 shades are metallic shades. I really like the color scheme of this palette because you get a very nice combination of colors in this palette. Like you are getting these warm brown shades and these very nice rose gold metallic shade and this brown metallic shade, and here you are getting some colorful shades, like you're getting this olive green shade which I actually used for my look today. Then you are getting blue, purple and this very beautiful pink shade, and here you are getting this black shade, dark brown shade and this dark maroon shade. So the shades what you get here in this palettes are really nice, and you are getting these two shades. So this is kind of a creamy shade. This is a very cool tone creamy shade, so you can use this shade to, you just set the whatever concealer you have applied or primer you have applied on your lids, and you are getting this shade which you can use to highlight your brow bones and your inner corners as well. This didn't work for my look, but this is a very beautiful highlighting shade, so you can use this for highlighting your brow bones, your inner corners, and I think you can use this as a highlighter as well. This is a really beautiful shade. So the color scheme, overall color scheme is really beautiful in this palette, and you can create so many eye looks with this palette. Now about the quality of this eyeshadow palette, I used 4 matte shades from this palette to create this look, और सारे ही मैट शेड्स जो थे वो काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म किए. देयर वॉज नॉट मच किक बैक इन द पैलेट, बहुत ही थोड़ा सा किक बैक था, बट दैट इज़ टोटली फाइन. एंड इट वॉज वेरी ईजी टू अप्लाई दीज शेडोज़, एंड इट वॉज वेरी ईजी टू ब्लेंड दीज आई शेडोज़. मतलब बिल्कुल भी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ रही थी, एंड इट वॉज वेरी ईजी टू ब्लेंड. I won't say that these colors are supremely pigmented, but it's very easy to build up the color with these eyeshadow palette, and देर वॉज नो फॉल आउट एज वेल. तो बहुत ही ईजी से ब्लेंड हो गए थे और बहुत ही ईजी था कलर बिल्डअप करना, और कोई फॉल आउट भी नहीं था. एक प्रॉब्लम मुझे ये लगी कि व्हेन आई वाज ब्लेंडिंग द शेड्स दे वर लूजिंग देयर कलर्स. तो जब मैं बार बार ब्लेंड कर रही थी तो कलर थोड़ा फेड हो जा रहा था आई शेडोज़ का, बट दैट इज़ फाइन. यू कैन ऑलवेज टेक मोर शेडो एंड यू कैन बिल्ड अप द कलर. तो वो इतनी ज़्यादा कोई बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है नहीं. नाउ बट द मेटालिक शेड्स, मैंने इसके 3 मेटालिक शेड्स यूज़ करे. 2 शेड्स आई अप्लाइड ऑन माई लिड एंड 1 शेड आई यूज टू हाईलाइट माई ब्राउ बोन. तो जो मेटालिक शेड्स थे वो काफ़ी पिगमेंटेड थे. मैंने फिंगर से अप्लाई किया, तो इट वॉज़ वेरी ईजी टू अप्लाई दिस मेटालिक आई शेडो, एंड काफ़ी अच्छा पिगमेंटेशन मिल गया था एक ही बार में. मतलब बार बार अप्लाई करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. दे आर वेरी नाइसली पिगमेंटेड, और जो आई शेडोज़ हैं वो काफ़ी बटरी हैं, काफ़ी सॉफ्ट हैं और इजीली अप्लाई हो जाता है. एंड मैंने थोड़ा सा एजेस को फिक्स करने के लिए ब्रश भी यूज़ किया. आई डिडंट वेट माई ब्रश, आई यूज्ड अ ड्राई ब्रश ओनली, एंड उसके साथ भी आई वॉज गेटिंग अ गुड पिगमेंटेशन, एंड इट वॉज वेरी ईजी टू अप्लाई दीज आई शेडोज़. तो मेटालिक शेड्स मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे लगे, मैट शेड्स भी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे लगे. मैट शेड्स भी काफ़ी सॉफ्ट हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे से पिगमेंटेड है. मतलब सुप्रीमली पिगमेंटेड नहीं है तो अच्छी बात है, बिकॉज अगर बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड होते हैं शेड्स तो उनको ब्लेंड करना मुश्किल हो जाता है, एंड समटाइम्स दे कैन बी पैची. तो यू वोंट फेस दैट काइंड ऑफ इशू विद दिस पैलेट. बहुत ही इजीली ब्लेंड हो जाते हैं शेड्स, एंड आपस में भी बहुत अच्छे से काम करते हैं. तो आप आपस में भी इनको अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल भी पैची नहीं रहेंगे. कोई किकबैक, मतलब ज़्यादा किकबैक नहीं है, कोई भी फॉल आउट नहीं है. मेटालिक और मैट शेड्स कोई भी आप यूज़ करें, किसी के साथ भी कोई भी किकबैक नहीं है. तो ओवरऑल ये जो आई शेडो पैलेट है वो काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करता है. एंड यू आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग दिस वेरी नाइस फुल साइज मिरर इन दिस आई शेडो पैलेट, विच इज़ रियली गुड. एंड हैंडलिंग जो है इस आई शेडो पैलेट की वो अच्छी है. मतलब इट्स नॉट वेरी बिग इन साइज, तो यू कैन ईजिली होल्ड दिस एंड यू कैन क्रिएट योर लुक. आपने डेमो में देखा ही, लाइक आई वॉज यूजिंग दिस mirror in this eyeshadow palette only, and I was holding it like this and I was creating this look. So it was very easy to handle the eyeshadow palette. Otherwise बहुत ज़्यादा अगर बड़े होते हैं साइज़ में पैलेट्स तो उनकी हैंडलिंग थोड़ी मुश्किल हो जाती है. नाउ अबाउट द पैकेजिंग ऑफ द पैलेट, पैकेजिंग काफ़ी अच्छी है, काफ़ी स्टर्डी पैकेजिंग है, बिल्कुल भी चीप काइंड ऑफ पैकेजिंग नहीं है. ओवरऑल काफ़ी स्टर्डी सी पैकेजिंग है इसकी. नाउ अबाउट द प्राइस पॉइंट, दिस रेट इज फॉर 699 रुपीज़. एटलीस्ट आई गॉट इट फॉर 699 रुपीज़. इसके ऊपर कोई प्राइस मेंशन नहीं है, तो दैट इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली. अगर प्राइस मेंशन होती तो आपको पता लग पाता एक्चुअली कि what is the actual price of this palette, but price is not mentioned anywhere on the palette. But I got it for 699 rupees from Cuffs and Lashes, and I guess you can get this palette from different Instagram stores as well. I'm not sure whether it is available on Amazon or Flipkart. I'll try to find out if it is available on Amazon and Flipkart, and I'll provide you the link in the description box if I find it there. So availability is fine because you can always get this palette from Cuffs and Lashes. That's easily available. I guess 699 rupees for this palette is good because you're getting very nice 16 shades in this eyeshadow palette, and you can create many eye looks with this eyeshadow palette. And the quality what you're getting is really good. सारी मैट शेड्स और मेटालिक शेड, एटलीस्ट जो मैंने ट्राई किए वो सारी शेड्स काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म किए. काफ़ी अच्छी पैकेजिंग है, मिरर मिल रहा है आपको. तो एंड एक्चुअली आई कुडंट फाइंड एनी कॉन विद दिस पैलेट, सो आई गेस 699 rupees for this palette is a good price, and you can totally go for this palette if you are looking for something like this. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this look, this review, and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Let me know in the comment box if you want me to try any other eyeshadow palette from any other brand or anything, any product. If you want me to try and share my reviews with you, please let me know in the comment box. I'll be very happy to do that for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.